Hi guys, my name is Aneke Michael and I'm a product designer. So initially there was this question someone asked me and the person was like, okay, if you have a product to sell, what would it be and what would you offer me if I'm to buy your product? So that threw me off balance then. So because I knew I had nothing to offer this person. So but I had passion for designing, but I couldn't actually get myself into it. So one certain time I was scrolling up on Facebook and I saw a post made by Techocraft ICT Academy, and I said, okay, let me take this opportunity to go learn this skill. Okay, it was quite a challenge, and I had to take that challenge because I know that this is actually what I wanted and this is what I need for myself. So after 6 months of learning UI UX, I said to myself, well, okay, this is it. So let us get into the field and do something. So after that, I landed myself my first job as a UI UX designer, and I'm proud to say today that I am making something out of user interface and user experience design. I'm actually making something as a product designer, all thanks to Techocraft ICT Academy. So if you want to become a product designer, if you want to acquire this skill, if you want to become part of this journey, I will urge you to go to Techocraft ICT Academy today. Visit their website at techocraft.com. Also, you can call them. If you are in Enugu, you have to go to number 3 Keita Street, Afpet Plaza to acquire this skill. Techocraft is a very good place to learn. They have conducive environment, they have qualified tutors, and also they have steady power supply. So you have nothing to worry about. Just go to Techocraft ICT Academy to make your dreams come true. Peace.